magic wonder. This is an Amutech Baby Ballon Warning Bus. Activating. This replaces the Amutech Tweenie. This is a Roy the Racing Car Kiddie ride by Jolly Roger. Tweenie's Kiddie ride by Amutech.
It's quite rare, so let's go. This is a Thunderbird 1 Kiddie ride by Audrey Mitchell, so let's go. Oh no. This is a Fred's Fire Truck Kiddie ride by Audrey Mitchell. Let's hope this is not mute and it works. Of course it's not going to work, is it? Of course it's not going to work. It doesn't like me, does it? You're kidding me. Is it not working? Is it flashing? Maybe it's not on. Is it on? Maybe it's not. Plug's over there. It should be working if it's on. Oh, the start button's flashing! Oh, that's why. Oh, I got a free ride on it. I'm not going to argue with that. Oh, postman pack's going off on the front road. Whee! Buttons don't work. That'll be why it wasn't taking my money. One in Southend's gone. That should be a siren, I think, unless it's another version. I love the music on this ride. Most of the buttons don't seem to work. And it has no messages, and that was a Fred's Fire Truck run by Audrey Mitchell.